Good morning everyone. We are Group 7 in Bio 2. We will be presenting our pedigrees
niya kay mama. Ito nga po pala yung Punnett square ko. Yung grandfather and grandmother ko po, pareho po silang dominant. And yung father ko rin po is dominant din. Yung mama ko lang po yung recessive. Ito nga po pala yung Punnett square ng parents ko. So, ayan po. 50% big eyes and 50% normal eyes ang lumabas sa Punnett square. So, ang genotype po niyan is 2:2 and yung phenotype naman po is 2:2 din. Dito naman po sa
Here is my ABO blood type pedigree chart, starting on my maternal side with my grandfather and grandmother who were blood type A and blood type O, who had my mother who was blood type A, who married my father who was blood type O, and had me and my 3 sisters who are all blood type A. Here are the Punnett squares for them, with the first generation having a ratio of 4:0 and a 100% chance of the child having a blood type of A. And here is for the third generation with a 2:2.
Ito yung pedigree for my mother's side. Makikita natin na lola ko ay colorblind and lolo ko is normal. Nagkaanak sila ng 2 babae. Yung isa is nanay ko, pares lang carrier. Yung tatay ko naman is normal. Result ako, normal din. Ito yung Punnett square para sa lolo at lola ko. And ang naging resulta sa 2 na lang anak na babae ay 100% carrier. Ito naman yung Punnett square para sa nanay at tatay ko. And ang naging resulta is 50% for normal and 50% for colorblind.
my pedigree and Punnett square. I used generation to my mother's side because my mother got her curly from my grandfather. And my sister and I got curly from my mother. This is my grandfather Punnett square. My grandfather is dominant and my grandmother is recessive. The genotypic ratio is 4:0.
So here's my pedigree chart. My lolo and my lola is both straight hair and they have their children's with all straight hair. My mom met my dad with a curly hair and I'm wavy hair. So the shaded part represents the curly hair and the half shaded represents the wavy hair. So dito sa Punnett square makikita natin na pareha silang homozygous yung mom and dad ko. Kaya lumabas din lahat na ako ay anak nila. So which is tama itong Punnett square na to na wavy hair nga talaga ako. So ito makikita natin dito na yung tatay ko homozygous curly, yung mom ko homozygous straight, and ako yung trait ng tatay ko tapos yung trait ng nanay ko is which is yung curly plus straight equals CS. So curly plus straight equals wavy. So which is ako yun.
And last but not the least, my pedigree chart. I'm Jesus Bendia from Group 7 and this is my pedigree chart. As you can see here, we have the recessive and dominant side. Dominant side is the curly and the recessive is not curly. I got my curly hair from my father, but I got a pedigree from my mother's side. So as you can see here, we have a 1:1 ratio and 50% of straight and curly hair as to my Punnett square. These pinapatunayan nito na ang pagiging curly hair ko ay nakuha ko sa father side ko, which is from my grandpa, and I don't know much information from my grandpa since I didn't know him. So yun lang po ang presentation ng Group 7.